First of all, the title does not match my hair right now, but it's about to. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Nay the Gym. Hold on, I kind of want to be like, what's up, Gyms? It's your girl, Nay the Gym. What it do, baby? What's up? I hope y'all day's going great. Y'all see the title, you guys. My hair looks like a mushroom right now at the moment. But I hope I'm not echoing. But if I am, I'm sorry. But if I'm not, I'm sorry for saying that. I hope I'm not echoing. But anyways, you guys, look. I don't know. Hold on, wait. Y'all know I gotta be extra. I'm a Gemini, I have to. I ain't gonna put it up on YouTube because YouTube gonna flag me. But anyways, that just emphasized how smack my hair is right now. And there goes a little bit of, you know, 7th grade girl poses back in 2010. You know, they doing some other stuff now. But anyways, y'all, I'm about to get my slick back ponytail popping. I'm gonna make a picture pop up right here because y'all was really complimenting this ponytail, and like I got like 20 DMs on Instagram, and like I got a couple DMs from my couples page from when I posted a picture with my hair like that too, and y'all just like, you need to give us a tutorial. So here it is, and you better be here, and you better like, and you better comment. I'm kind of fucking up the motion now, but it is what it is. And you better subscribe, hit that bell, you guys. I am back with another video. I know it's been a minute, but it's okay. I'm here. You don't have to go through it no more. Whatever it is you're going through, if you needed me to help you with your hair, if you needed me to give some advice, if you needed me to do something else, whatever it is, I'm here, I'm back, and I'm ready to get it cracking, you guys. So I hope y'all really like, comment, and subscribe like I just said again and again. Y'all, we better hop into the video. I'm gonna show you how I get my hair all cute and that slick back. Make that piece pop again today. Do it again, don't forget. But yeah, I'm out of breath. Why am I out of breath? Ooh, that's not safe. I think I need to see a doctor. But let's get into it. I'm not gonna do all that. Y'all, if y'all only subscribe to this channel, I moved into a new apartment and it's really, really lit that I moved into a new apartment and I'm super excited. If y'all want like a little brief apartment tour like on my channel, if you're not subscribed to Janae and Derek's channel, but if you're interested in that, you should definitely go over there and subscribe to our couples channel. But yes, if you're just here just for me and you're just here for me and you're just here for me, thank you. Appreciate you. Hit that subscribe button. I forgot what I was about to say. Oh, yeah, I was talking about the apartment tour. So if you want to see the new apartment, the new scenery, where I'll be doing new videos for my channel, then let me know down below. So let's get it. I'm going to show you all the products I'm using for this look. Hold on. First of all, ew, my hair is really rough. Ooh, that's too much. I got this little misty, let me spray towards the sink, spray bottle. I got some Jamaican black castor oil styling lotion from Shea Moisture, the biggity bomb, if you ain't already know, but you probably should. And I got this nice brush here. Now, I got these really, I forgot what type of ponytail holders, but they're like ponytail holders for thick hair. These really help to get this slick back ponytail so I don't have to do the most, y'all. I'm literally about to do this in like 3 minutes, maybe. I don't know. Don't quote me on that because I don't know. But one of them's a little bit bigger than the other one because I probably stretched this out with my big old head. But you'll need two, just in case, to make it look a little bit tighter. Edge brush. Ooh, my stomach just growled, I'm hungry. I got my edge control. Alright, that was extra. And my Tresemme gel, y'all know my favorite, y'all know. They get it cracking like a bad. But, alright. I hope this angle is okay. I hope it is. I really do. But I don't know. Maybe I should come from this way because I kind of be like, no, because, oh my gosh. Oh, YouTube hacks. I'm really nervous that this won't stay up. All right, you guys. I fixed the angle. Sorry it took me forever, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. If you want to finesse a YouTube video, y'all should really see how I got it set up. But it don't even matter because guess what? It's set up, and if it falls down, I don't know what to do. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Derek's gonna be mad at me because I got this camera set up on her, but I don't know. Let's get it. Let's go. I'm ready. I ain't no hoe. Come on. First step. Take the spray bottle I gotta make sure I'm not too close to it. Does this angle look good? Be honest. It look good? All right. They're interrupting me. But yeah. So you want to take your spray bottle, and I really like this Misty bottle because you know how the other bottle like just shoot you in your head real hard, like it make you feel like, dang, did I just get shot or what's going on? But anyways, I like this bottle because you don't want too much water, so I'd rather get water in my hand and do that before I get one of them ones that's gonna shoot you in your temple. Have you heard me? All right. Oh, this feels so soothing. Right. So yeah, y'all, my hair is really dry. I will take my styling lotion because I do not want to brush my hair with just water on it right now. My styling lotion, get a nice little amount. Take it and do that pushing motion backwards because that's what I'm going to do anyways. Put a little bit in the back, even though I probably won't brush back there. Y'all, this is really a finesse. Like, if you got big hair, I'm probably about to save your life today if you ain't already doing this style. So then this is when I'll get my brush and I'll start brushing it in that motion. Just brush it back like that. As you can see, look, I got that pushback motion that I didn't have at first, but anyways. All right. So this is when you take the big one. I promise I'm not trying to do nothing crazy, but I don't like when it be around my neck because I feel like I can't breathe, and I don't like that at all. So what I'm gonna do is get a little bit of this gel, and I'm gonna do the same motion and pat it around my edges, and I'm gonna do the brush backward motion, and then I'm gonna push this on. I'm gonna slide this across my head to make the ponytail shape. All right, I guess I'm just gonna have to do it like this. I don't like this, y'all, so I'm about to move. Hold on, wait. I'm not gonna do it like this. All right, let's get it, let's get it. Here we go, let's get it. All right. This is really a finesse, y'all. Hold on, wait, I'm not done yet. All right, that's part one. That's why you have another ponytail holder. I'm gonna get switched out. Just a little bit. Oh, shit. Oh. All right. Another brush. Let's get it. Its mug is a brand new one, so it's really tight. So this is gonna finalize the ponytail. So I'm gonna push this one back just a little bit more. Another way to make it look a little bit tighter than what it is, because I'm gonna lay my edges and stuff, is gotta grab them. It's just to lift them, tighten up your hair. Usually what I do is like give it a little tug, I don't pull it too hard. Okay, so this is probably how I'll just wear my ponytail. It's really not even a ponytail, y'all. But it is. But it ain't. But you guys, I'm about to slick my edges, and this is not an edge video, so I'll be right back to show y'all the final results of my ponytail. And you know, I'm gonna take some more gel and like just slick down my edges a little bit more. And if y'all want an edge video, let me know down below and I can definitely get that done for you guys. I'm not the best at edges, but I know how to finesse mine. So you guys, I'll be right back. Here's just a better look of what my ponytail looks like before I lay my edges. Yeah, you know, and I usually like to give it like a little bit more of a poof to make my ponytail look a little bit bigger. So I'll be right back. Hold on, wait. I can definitely do them poses now that, hold on. I literally have a picture of me in the 5th grade doing a pose exactly like this, and I can put it right next to this one and tell y'all these was the poses that they did. Yeah, period. Yeah, if y'all could only see my legs, y'all already can estimate the action that I'm doing. Yes, successful, slick back, finesse, hack, ponytail, all of that. If you got thick hair, I just saved your life. So if I saved your life, like this video, go ahead and comment, you guys. Let me know down below if you guys got any styles that, I hate that I say you guys so much, that's so annoying. Ugh. Let me know down below what type of styles you guys would like to see. Let me know anything else that y'all are interested in. I'm about to get lit on here. I'm super excited that y'all are here and that y'all are tuning in. I hope y'all love this video. This ponytail looks pretty dang good because y'all, oops, I did something wrong. This ponytail looks dang good. Ooh, y'all, I'm out. I gotta go. I gotta blast.